Welcome to this channel, and I'll be doing another what's in our fridge, a Tesco haul. So let's get started. We'll go to the top shelf, and up the top shelf we have some Barney chocolate cakes, some sausage rolls, some burgers, because the kids like them, like I said before. Let's put that one down here. We have some snack boxes. These ones have chicken and cheese in them. That one has ham and cheese. And that one has the cheese and crackers with chocolate buttons in it. And some at the back, and one on the floor. But they're just the same. Then we have some of these dunkers. Let's put these ones up here. Back. Then here we have a lemon cheesecake, and as you can see, more burgers and more burgers. Focus in. Here we have some Milky Bar mousses, some Aero mousses, and at the back some strawberry mousses. So that's the top shelf. Go down to the bottom shelf, put them ones back. We have some cheese buns. I won't get them all out. That's the cheese buns there. Another snack box, cheese and crackers with chocolate buttons. Down here we have more sausage rolls there, and some of those sandwich makers. If I can get them out, I will show you them. Oh, another snack box. We have chicken and cheese, ham and cheese, the string things cheese shapes, and there's two of them there. Some Lucozade orange, some yogurt, I think the corner ones, 3 banana chocolate flake split pots, 3 chocolate cereal balls split pots, more snack boxes that fell on the floor, and we have the cheese and crackers with Oreos in them. And we've got these are things new in Corner Creations. That's what that looks like. You should never get these ones before, because like I said, they're new. I think I've got 2 of them. Put the burgers back in there. Third shelf down, we have some more snack boxes, ham and cheese, more ham and cheese, which is there. and probably more ham and cheese. Then we have the pizza one, which is about 3 of them there. Behind there's just a pile of biscuits, breakaways, Kit Kats, I can't see what else there is. Wagon wheels, just all biscuits there. As you can see, then under here we have the refrigerators, the roasted ones. There's 2 bags, 3 bags there, and some eggs there. And some Aeros, chocolate ones, chocolate mousses. Focus is in. And then some more Lucozade, but I think that's the new, I don't know if it's strawberry or raspberry or something, but that's them ones. Down here, I think it's the 4th shelf, we have the brown bread, white bread, the butter, margarine, what you want to call it. We have 4 boxes of cola, the small ones. Some chocolate brownies. Some more cheese chips. Some more refrigerators, southern style, chicken bites, and the 3 packets of them. Let's put them back. Then go down to there. I think it's the 5th shelf, and we've got cake bars, little cakes, and there's some more little cakes there, some more Powerade, some more cake bars. I'll go close in, some chocolate fingers, a box of Jaffa cakes, some more Barney cakes, some little cakes again, some more chocolate brownies, some animal biscuits, where you get the little packets in, some yogurt lollies or whatever they call them, just 2 of them. Put everything back. Some more refrigerators. Then back in this drawer, which is where you just keep biscuits new, it's just more animal biscuits, some rings, mini penguins, some more mini penguins, some more Barney cakes, some more chocolate animal shapes, some gold, I think that's the white chocolate ones, some more animal biscuits, some more party ring things, some more animal biscuits, some jam tarts, and some more cakes, Now move down to the other drawer. Got some more these new corner creation yogurts. Some of the chicken bites, pepperoni. Some more chicken bites, pepperoni. Make your own pizza. Some of these yogurts. And there's another two of them. There's tangerines. Move that. Some more Jaffas. Some chocolate eclairs. And some more pizza, snack box, some Philadelphia snack lights, a couple of these toffee sundaes, some club biscuits as you can see down there, some more of the lights, Philadelphia snacks. On the door, some bottles of pop. That's just it. Well, there's one left. Hobnob biscuits. Some more of the toffee sundaes. The tuck biscuits, which I don't know what they're doing in there. Some milk. Pickled onions off the last one that haven't been opened. 2 packets of cheese slices. Ham sandwich. Some corned beef. Some egg and pork roll. Some tangerines. Some more of the cheese strings. And that's basically it. So I'll give you a look from here again. And that is what's in our fridge. Bye.